Vacation time! Let's travel airplane! Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Hello, how can I help you? I want to visit these places. The ticket is being printed. Please wait.
Yeah, yay! Yoo-hoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's go somewhere else. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.